Beautiful day outside. We'll see how it is when we ride later. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Let me know in the comments below how the sound quality is, recommendations. We're gonna go take a ride around town. I hope everybody's enjoying the weekend. Or got some plans. Get a good energy reset before Tuesday. Wow, I'm going back on Tuesday. I don't know about everybody else. I hope everybody else has a chance to have a 3-day weekend. Get ready to go back home though, fresh, ready to go. Don't do it. Don't do it. Nice. Probably what I should be doing right now instead of on the bike. I'm actually recovering from a back strain. I had it for a few days. Man, that had me out of commission too. So it kind of worked out with the rain and not being able to ride. I guess I gotta bleed my clutch. How often does that happen to you guys? Like, I literally can't get into neutral. It's either first or we just going full throttle. Well, man, sometimes after a while, I'll Photoshop. Sometimes after a while, I know your hands just get tired, especially when you're in a stop and go. They come up to a light, you just want to let go of the throttle for a second, you know? Or at least the clutch. It's been happening to me for a while, yeah. Look at that, very calm. Has this nice beautiful trail. Pedal, buddy, pedal. You got it. Look at that, like literally right there, it just hits the brake. Well, it's really, really nice. This trail is nice. It's a good walk. Look at that. Beautiful. So Virginia does a really good job, and I can't say too much about other states. I haven't explored it, but since I've been out here, they've done a really good job of just accommodating to the community, allowing, you know, trails like this all over. But look at this, it's nice. just good for bike riding, getting the kids out, some running if you're into that. I am. I do a lot of running. I haven't done as much running this year as a whole. Yeah, we're already in October, as I've done in the years past. But look at this. This is nice. Very accommodating. Very easy to just go out and get your fitness on. Oh, there we go. Following you in neutral. For all of like 5 seconds. It's beautiful. One thing about Virginia, for the most part, other than like the heavily populated areas, like I'm talking, when I say heavily populated, I'm talking about heavily populated. But for the most part, Virginia is pretty clean, and this is for a good, you know, you can pretty much go around VA and pretty much see it like this. Not the scenery per se, but definitely the definitely just how clean it is out here. I'm not a big fan of BMWs, but I've always been a fan of the X5s. To be honest with you, I think almost like every year, every version of the X5, I love those. Nice. I don't know if you can hear that pop. I guess the older I get, the more I just see peace. Look how smooth that looks. But who the heck is cutting all that? See, that's the part I don't want. If I'm living in the country, I got all this land and a big house. Who the heck is doing the maintenance? Because I'm gonna end up looking at it and be like, no, probably next week. Before you know it, like 4 or 5 weeks go by, I'm out there just in the field by myself trying to cut some grass. So, puppy, where are we going?
To the bowling spot.
The bowling spot?
Yeah.
Are you ready to get some bowl?
Yeah.
Riding a motorcycle for the first time. Good times. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you. If you like the video, it's family time. Like and subscribe. That helps out. I'm new, so help me out get started.